I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Nashville here. Today I'm bringing you a surprise video for you. So the atopahana ki video ka khara khenani dong asiti isai hoina tawe aigi manaba malai manaba duna isai saktoine ai magi isai do mayam da som tahaning ba do ge video se semakani. So let's watch. Yeah. Hello guys, it's Mr. By Khater from Manipur. My friend is my friend. We met here in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, almost 4 years. So
4 years.
Yeah, I'll just give an intro for 30 seconds. Don't take much time.
Okay, only 30 seconds.
Yeah, only 30.
I'm By Khater from Manipur, and I'm here in Bangalore pursuing my graduation. And we met 4 years ago. That's in 2015. So now he wants to introduce me to his fans, his subscribers. That
yeah, sure. Mase Manipur agine ba. Akoi stale mina ba koi reba 2015 dagi lemina kone mana akoi dagi chahi ma de halama ado akoi punna lemina re ado isuma isai sa am hayeba. Haidi nundam na sa paje.
Yam na di haidi.
Yam haitro ado akoi dagi am na hayeba mase. Ado yam nungai ba mana isai sa ko taw se ko ado ma na su khanganing ba haitare. Ado sai da leba yam de dum khangbu shawe da khangdau shawe da to pai mana ma yam da ma sai introduce tongning ba ado gi ai Kamaga ay namon da high by say sakse question at the mass yare. I don't any video say Namtavani. Also like what song you gonna sing now? First we'll start with a like heartbreak song, like Hindi song.
Yeah, Hindi
we
song.
used to sing this together like when we are bored, right? So like we'll start with Jeena Jeena.
Jeena Jeena.
Jeena Jeena. Yeah,
okay,
Jeena Jeena. Alright.
Atif Aslam, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So he chose the song Atif Aslam, Jeena Jeena. Alright.
Right, alright.
Let's start.
Jeena Jeena.
1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go.
मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम ओ आसमां मिला ज़मीन को मेरी यादें पूरे हम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम
Wow, very nice song and nice song.
Thank you.
He's giving a nice song, really. It's nice. I love it. So next song, what like we'll choose a Manipuri song for all my Manipuri friends. So we'll just start, right? It's like what song we'll sing then? Aibu. We'll choose Aibu. I think Aibu will be the like, nice one.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Aibu nungsiba tambiriba.
Yeah.
Adu ina sahal lagi masa. Ai su khara khara dum fai ba isai de haite ba. Ado tim so. Nuai na ba.
Okay. What? Aibu. Aibu is a Manipur song.
Yeah.
It's one of the great hit song.
Yeah.
Once in Manipur.
Yeah.
By Suri Senjam,
Suri Senjam.
music director.
Hair guy.
Long hair guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Suri Senjam.
Aibu. Let's start.
Musiba tamiriba tutraba satamni nahaki nokliba minokta amaunahale aibu afangkandana aibu musiba tambiriba Trava satamni nahaki Nopiva Minokta Kamaunahale aibu mafangkanda Achikpa hingsu loy kare Lamba tajasu jangkare Achikpa hingsu loy kare Lamba tajasu jangkare Adubu taduna layhaure Nagonsida Pamubi nangi wahai sing Pamubi nangi wahai sing Pamubi nangi wahai sing Pamubi nangi wahai sing
Wow, this was a nice song. I hope you like it. If you like our videos, like my channel, please do subscribe. If you are not subscribing, if you are new, please subscribe and like and comment. And please share my videos to all your friends.
Yeah.
I hope you like it, you will enjoy.
Yeah, I will do it, don't worry.
So guys, thank you for watching our videos.
Thank you for watching.
If you like it, comment down.
Panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.